There we go, that's one. Oh, come on, that's a nice size walleye too. Not a bad size walleye. Oh, there we go. Cool. Okay, so to me, looks like we gotta go that way into the bay. Okay, so he liked the chatterbait. And all I was doing for that was just, can't remember if they call it yo-yoing or if they call it popping. Like, that was another fish. My line took off one way. I might switch to a different bait here anyways. All right, let's try this guy out first since this is all new. So next we're gonna try a VMC quarter ounce jig head and parrot with a Googan Baits slim, or not slim shake, drop shot, drag and drop. There we go. And I think they call this the murky minnow, but we're gonna give it a shot. I'm thinking with the walleye right in this little area right here, this might be the money move. I'd be kind of stoked if I can catch a walleye on a drag and drop. There we go. I thought I had something. That's pulling like a jackfish, I think. Oh, it might be a little drum. Oh, that's a salt. That's a, sorry, not salt water. What am I thinking? That's a sunfish. Now, crappy part is I gotta find a place to let this thing go. There we go. There's a sunfish or freshwater drum. But we'll let him go. Doesn't want to leave apparently. Come on, buddy. There we go. Well, but Googan Baits never anticipated that one. But I'll take it. A fish is a fish. I did see a little minnow jump up, like a shiner minnow. It is what they're going after right now, so I picked the right color for it right now. I've actually never really played the action of this very much yet, so let's... Oh, I like that. It's got a nice pop in that tail. Come on, I need myself a drag and drop walleye. Well, I'm gonna try just a little bit smaller of a bait. So this one, we've got a Ned rig, weedless Ned rig with a or swimsy or whatever it is. But yeah, weedless Ned rig on a swimsy plastic. I'm surprised even a perch hasn't taken this little thing. There's the perch. I'm almost certain that's a perch. Oh, it's another little Walter. Hoop. Yeah, he wanted that one. dark little walleye. Walleye, because you can tell he's got the little white spot in his tail there. And then we'll let him go. Right on, it's gone. Okay, well that was on little Ned rig. Cool. So there must be a pocket right in here, because I usually get my bites right in this corner. But I guess because it kind of necks down into here, and it's a transition between lots of riprap, large rock over there, and weed and sand in here. Oh, look at all the bullhead minnows right here. Ooh, all wiped out. Yeah, see, look at all the baby bullhead minnows. That is probably why there's a lot of things cruising around in here. And probably why a lot of things are biting right now. I'm thinking this might be last time, or last spot I fished here for, well, fish this spot here anyways. Might go try and find some other place to fish.
A few moments later.
Here we go, there's one. On the dragon drop. This looks like a sauger to me though. It might be a walleye. Just a young walleye though. And there we go. Yep, just a small school. Right, number 4. This I think is probably a walleye. It might be a sauger.
It's hard to tell when they're that small.
Yeah. There we go. Number 4, number 5 now. What's that? Yeah, slowly getting bigger. Uh-oh. Oh, I can't. They made that one airborne.
What are you using?
It's a Googan Baits dragon drop.
They must like that thing.
It's a parrot moon eye, VMC moon eye jig head with a, yeah, these are really nice.
Very good.
Apparently, I just picked these up today. Really, I just came back from the city. Oh, that was a good hit. Holy crap. Oof, spiny little, tiny little guy. How's it going, folks? We're going to go over the baits I used in the video, and we're going to start with the first one, which is a Zeman original Chatterbait in black and blue with a Gary Yamamoto flap and hog and black and blue flake. This bait, I honestly love throwing chatterbaits for walleye. They actually do get a lot more bites than a lot of people think. I actually have like a very big collection. Well, no, I wouldn't say big. I've got a fair amount of chatterbaits. Like, I honestly love throwing chatterbaits for walleye because they just get reaction strikes. But like I said, that was with the Gary Yamamoto Flapping Hog, and this is what it looks like without the Zeman chatterbait. It's got the long appendages right at the bottom, followed by, I guess, I'd almost call this like a paddle, and then well, I guess this would be more like a paddle. But yeah, so it's got 4 appendages on each side, plus this little bulbal end. I don't know what you would want to call it. But it worked. It was awesome. Next, so the next one is the one I got wrong in the video. But it was a Zeman product, because I believe the Zeman also makes the Swammers too. But anyways, it's the Slim Swims by Zeman, and in a smelt. And these work awesome. I'm probably going to keep buying these because they work for perch, they work for walleye. And when you're using a weedless Ned rig this small, like you can take anything. Like it wouldn't matter if it was crappy or not. But yeah, so I was paired with a weedless Ned rig in green pumpkin, and I believe it's like a 1/16 ounce jig head. And finally, we have probably going to be my favorite bait to throw around the early spring, around when the shiner spawn happens. Sorry, not early spring, early summer into midsummer. But anyways, it's the Googan Baits Dragon Drop, a murky minnow, and like I said, awesome bait. And I paired it with a VMC Moon Eye jig head, 1/8 ounce weight in a parrot color, and I've had probably more bites on this color pattern alone than any other jig that I've used. So it's an awesome jig, and I would really recommend getting some of these if you're going for walleye, I'd say. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.